I'm absolutely thrilled to be here today, celebrating the incredible spirit of creativity and innovation with you all. It's such an honor to stand before you on this special day. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Oxford College of Engineering and big thanks to Saravana sir, head of the department Computer Science, for giving us this amazing opportunity to connect with the brilliant minds of this college. As a founder of a super creative startup right here in the Bangalore, I am really excited to share my journey, our ups and downs, and all the insights that we gathered. Let's dive in and explore the world of creativity and innovation together. In this session, I'll be discussing two key points: the significance of open source and the value of reusing your skills. Before that, check this cool demo. Let me introduce you to Bhima. It's a smart robotic arm. He can see, he can hear, he can interact with you. We built him using open source libraries. It's really interesting to work with him. Let's see the demo. Bhima, where is Apple? Stop. Open source refers to the software that is made available with the source code, allowing anyone to study, modify, and distribute freely. Anyone can contribute, anyone can use it. Basically, it means community driven. After all, why reinvent the wheel? When many brilliant minds out there already cracked the code, why not reuse it? It's all about working smart, not harder, isn't it? In this example, I will show how powerful these libraries are. Alright, here is a simple HTML page with two buttons, one to turn on the bulb and another to turn it off. When I click on this, it actually basically replaces the image. Pretty straightforward. But to be frank, isn't it boring? What if instead of clicking buttons, we could control this bulb with a voice? Imagine saying turn it on and boom, light comes on. Sounds cool, isn't it? Just like in Google Voice Search. Why can't we build something like that? And what it really takes to build something like that? For this, do I really need a PhD in natural language processing or a machine learning expertise? Guess what? You can build something like this with less than 10 lines of a code. Yep, you heard me right. There is a JavaScript library called Anyang.js that lets you convert your voice to text without breaking a sweat. Just include that in your project and your voice is converted to text, just like that. I'll give a demo of this. Please turn on the light. Please turn it off. Please turn this on. Thank you. Isn't it cool? Let's check out another amazing tool from Google. It's called TensorFlow. It's pretty awesome because it allows you to run your machine learning models directly in your browser. In this example, I want to show how you can use this library to detect objects. It uses your webcam to do a live object detection. It runs in your browser. It means almost everywhere. ML model running everywhere. So powerful, isn't it? Let's see the demo. Now, let's shift our focus to second point. Let's put ourselves in the shoes of a fresher. We will focus on the options that offers him the best chances to thrive in the AI-driven world. When AI is everywhere, you can't stick to one tool or domain. You need to be aware of different domains, tools and technology and how to connect them. Did you know JavaScript commonly used for web development can be used in robotics and mobile development? Yes, you heard it right. With a library called Johnny5, you can kickstart your robotics journey. Using simple JavaScript, less than 10 lines of code, you can make your first LED blink. And guess what? This library is supported by big names like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Intel Beagle. As a computer science student, you might be wondering why should I bother with electronics? Especially messy connections scares you? Well, here is the exciting part. You don't need to learn anything new about electronics. With the powerful libraries and hardware abstractions, you can use a microcontroller without diving deep into electronics, without messy connections. See how simple it is. You can choose your favorite programming language to interact with a microcontroller. This adds a whole new world of opportunity for you. Think about this way. If you know how to connect your USB mouse to a laptop, you already know how to use a microcontroller. That simple. We recognize the overwhelming nature of the learning. When you are faced with too many options, confusion is bound to happen. It is hard to know where to start. It is even harder to know when to stop. We understand this pain. That's precisely why we started the creative startup aimed to simplify the learning process. It helps you to explore the ecosystem, understand the open source tools and technology in very innovative way. That's about a NikkiBuild. Check out our social media pages for more updates. We are going live soon, so I can't reveal much now. Before I wrap this session, I would like to share my personal story with you, which might inspire you. Long back, when I was in college, one day I was sitting in a car and I noticed all the blind spots around the car. These are the blind spots. This got me thinking, what if there is a way to capture the entire surrounding environment of the car and display it to the driver? It's really interesting idea, right? So I came up with a plan to set up a simple webcam that will be mounted on top of a car and with a glassy sphere placed on top. That would provide a 360-degree view of the surrounding. The setup was simple and it was brilliant. That's what I thought so. Everything went fine initially, but there was a problem. The captured image by the webcam were distorted. I wanted to find a solution, so I messed up with the array manipulation, image processing, and I got myself into a weird linker error. The program was in C++, so I was a beginner back then, so I couldn't find out how to fix this. I tried to get help from my teachers, friends and family members. Months passed by and no progress. Eventually, I convinced myself that this is a stupid idea and I let it go. Years passed by and I totally forgot about it. After a long time, while watching a YouTube video, I got really shocked. There it was, a car advertisement showing full 360-degree view of the car. This is exactly what I was working on years ago. This is when I realized my $1 million idea had slipped through my fingers just because of simple error. It felt bad, really bad. Reflecting on my journey, I realized the power of persistence and the importance of using open source tools and technology. So, anyone out there with a brilliant idea burning in them? I say this, don't be afraid to dream big, seek guidance and never give up. Who knows, With the right tool and support, you might just turn your $1 million idea into a reality. Exploring the ecosystem is the key to unlock a world of possibilities. There's a vast array of tools, library, platforms out there, each offering very unique capability and opportunities. Whatever you are looking for, there is a good chance it is already out there. Just a simple hash include or a import away. Learning never stops. The best way to learn is by doing it. So, roll up your sleeves and start building it. And start it now. Let's build together. Let's build with NikkiBuild. Thank you.